the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
こんにちは、ミートキャンプです。今回は北海道厚真町にある大沼野営場というキャンプ場でキャンプをしてお肉を焼いて食べていきたいと思います。それでは向かっていきましょう。
Jesse was born on a winter's night in the middle of the storm. The road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house. Raised on love in those sunny years when there was magic in the world. Her laughter traveled well across those hardwood floors. God knows we didn't have much, but in a way, you know we had it all.
はい、設営が終わりました。料理をするときに火がちょうど良くなっていたいので、先に焚き火の準備をして、それから料理をしていきたいと思います。
There's no need to rush it, dropping everything 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, waiting for the street. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
最後までご視聴ありがとうございます。この動画が良かったなと思っていただけた方は高評価お願いします。またキャンプやお肉の動画をどんどん上げていきますので、チャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。